Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the cosmos. The universe just got a little more mysterious, and we're about to dive into the heart of it. The international LIGO-Virgo-KAGRA Collaboration has unveiled two extraordinary events, detected in late 2024, that could revolutionize our understanding of gravitational waves and the extreme phenomena that generate them. But here's where it gets controversial. These observations might suggest that black holes are not just solitary entities, but part of a complex dynamic community, challenging our current theories. The first event, GW241011, involved a collision between two black holes, one approximately 17 times the mass of our Sun, and the other a mere 7. What's mind-boggling is the spin of the larger black hole, which was rotating at an incredible 75% of its theoretical maximum speed. Imagine a cosmic dance where one partner moves with such grace and speed. The second event, GW241110, presented a similar mass ratio, but with a twist. The larger black hole was spinning in the opposite direction to its orbit around the smaller one. It's like a cosmic dance gone awry, with partners moving in opposite directions. This peculiar spin direction is a first of its kind and has scientists scratching their heads. These record-breaking events hint at a fascinating possibility. The larger black holes might themselves be the product of previous mergers. If true, it means we're witnessing second-generation black holes, a concept that's both intriguing and challenging to our current understanding of the universe. Professor Stephen Fairhurst from Cardiff University, a spokesperson for the LIGO scientific collaboration, commented, GW2411 and GW24110 are truly unique among the hundreds of events observed by our network. The spin characteristics of these black holes provide tantalizing evidence that they were formed through previous mergers, a concept that opens up a whole new realm of possibilities.